before 2008 Chevy Corvette. Go ahead. That's what they sound like before. Again. You can see it's very, very quiet. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 93. That's what it sounds like before. We're going to do a muffler delete and quad tips. We'll let you guys hear it 4-inch black. Again, one last time. 2008 Chevy Corvette. So we let you guys hear it before, what it sounds like with factories. Now we'll show you what we did on. We did a muffler delete and quad tips. It's got factory converters there and there. Then factory X pipe there, all the way back 2.5 over the rear axle up there. They're a pain in the butt to do whenever you need to do them. And then we did a rear muffler delete there and there into quad tips. Ah, so much nicer. Black quad tips, as you guys can see right there and there. And that side view looks really nice. We'll show you, we'll have a link in the description for the tips if we can find them for you guys, okay? And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And it's standard, so you know it's gonna say, oh, look at that. Oh, much better. Here's sound decibels. Right at 107. There's the mufflers we cut off right there, guys. Go ahead and back it up. What do you guys think? Let you guys hear it on the inside.